Music game cards numbers 4, 5, and 6. Now some speed drawing. Music card number 4. Row, row, row your boat. For music card number 5, I drew a TIS owl listening to some music on headphones. For music card number 6, I had fun drawing different kinds of drums. A bit of my video disappeared, so we don't see quite the entire drawing getting inked, but that's okay. Ooh, and I drew some maracas too. I drew a pattern with dashed lines and circles, and it's meant to represent a pattern in music. Let's see what the activities are for music cards number 4, 5, and 6. Music card number 4, sing. Sing row, row, row your boat as loud as you can, but without opening your mouth. Music card number 5, dance. Dance with just your face for 10 seconds. Music card number 6, play. Make up a drum beat to Ants Go Marching and play it on a pillow. Hint, march around the room to find the beat. Have fun making your cards and playing with them. Take care, everyone.